Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video where we are going to show you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. Are you excited for the same? Now here you have to get these sheets, arrange them in this manner as we are showing in here in the video. You have to attach them in this way further, get them beautifully curved, and this is gonna look damn pretty. Isn't it cool? Now proceeding further in the video, let's dive into the world of papers and crafts. Now here get a sheet and you have to just make this pattern and then get them done in this way. Paste the wings and you can just play with it. Now here what are we gonna do? Get the sheet, get them folded in this way and then make a turtle out of it, and you have to just secure it beautifully. Paste the sheets all over the top. Now here you have to just get the sheets pasted in a semicircular pattern, and you have to just arrange it over a circular disc like this, and these flowers are gonna look damn pretty. Now proceeding here, what are we up to? You have to get these flowers like this and then attach the stem further over it, and then you have to just get the leaves like this and then arrange it in this manner. Keep on proceeding. Now what are we going to do next? You have to just get the sheet, roll them up in this manner and then get them beautifully attached in this way. You have to secure it and then just get it all over the carrot, and this is gonna look pretty. Isn't it cool? Now here what are we up to? You have to get the beetle like this and then make this ladybug and then attach the string further. You can just have it, just play with it round and round. Cool, right? Now let's see what are we going to do next. Here you have to just attach the sheet further in this manner, get the eyes made, arrange it further like this, and this is gonna look damn pretty. Let's see what are we gonna do next. Here you have to just arrange this balloon and then paste the sheets like this and then get the antennas all over and then the wings around. Cool, right? Now here again get a sheet of paper, get them folded in this manner. You have to just get it beautifully secured and then get them attached one over the other as we are showing here. Further you need to make this stick and then paste it all over, open it, and you will end up getting a beautiful pattern. Cool, right? Now here again get the sheet, fold it from the middle and then you need to just attach it in this way. Get them attached all over it in this manner. Get the eyes made, and these bookmarks are quite pretty. Keep on proceeding. Now here get some cute bunny rabbits made. You have to just get it blush draped in a color of pink, and then you need to make the blushes all over. This is gonna look adorable. Now here again you have to get the sheets cuts like this, then just fold it together, then hang it all over it. What you have to do, you have to just get the flowers cut in this manner and then paste it all over it in this way as we are showing, and then you have to just get the handle attached. This is gonna look pretty. Now get some circles cut in this manner. You have to just get it beautifully colored like this and then get them out. Then over a thin plastic sheet you need to just put it all over and then blow them up. Cool, right?
Hello everyone. Start off by taking this white circular sheet of paper and then afterwards draw this line and then multiple circular shapes to it. Take this earbud and begin to spread it on either side and make it look like this colorful feather. Next, take multiple of these leaves. Take another large leaf, cut it up into the shape. Begin to stick your leaves as such. Make this look like a little fox and then make two of them. Add these little shapes above as well. Cut up these little shapes, and then this is what you should be left with. Take multiple of these leaves, cut it up in the shape, stick it onto a white circular sheet of paper. Stick these leaves behind in order to make it look like a peacock. Now draw on the eyes and the top to it. Add the legs to it as well, and now slowly begin to color this in yellow and blue. Next, take a white circular sheet of paper. Take these little bits of grass and hay, and then afterwards stick it at the base. Take this empty walnut shell, and then afterwards use half of it. Begin to make it look like a body of a little ladybug. Add on the head in the front, add the eyes to it, and then the legs on either side. Next, we'll start off by taking this clay. Slowly begin to spread it out as such. Start to make off this swirl, and then begin from the center and go towards the outside. Make multiple of these, and then draw the stems underneath this. Add little leaves all about, add the bow in the middle. Next, take this toothbrush, dip it in this yellow paint, sprinkle it all about this black circular sheet of paper. Take this ball of clay and then stick it in different places as such. Continue to make these all around and then add little stars at the top. Now take each of these strips, make it in this rainbow design, cut off the base as such. Add these little circular balls underneath it and then add these lines to it as well. Add these little candies underneath and then stick these yellow balls all throughout. Take a white circular sheet of paper, then take a green marker and make these drawings to it as such. Draw this to the base as well, and then afterwards take a finger and dip it in yellow paint, stick these all around. Once you're done with this, then add these little dashes all throughout. Add these little ladybugs at the top as well. Take some fruit foam net, then dip it in some green paint, spread it all about as such. Now after you're done with this, then take some darker green paint as well, and then spread it all about. Once you're done with this, add the grass at the base, add these little polka dots at the bottom as well. Take these twigs, stick it onto a white circular sheet of paper, take multiple balls of clay, then stick it onto each of the ends as such. As you continue to do so, this is what it should look like. Now stick it into its place. Next, add some glue onto a white circular sheet of paper in this shape. Spread it out, then take some fruit foam net, cut up multiple little pieces of it, and then afterwards stick it where the glue is. Now after it is dried, add this green part to the bottom as well. Add these polka dots out of yellow to it. Take these dried up leaves and then cut off small pieces of it as such. We've cut it up into this oval shape, and now we are sticking it onto the white circular sheet of paper. Make it look like it is a little fish and make multiple of these. Add the green bottom to it as well. Next, we will start off by taking this little bits of grass that is dried up. Now, add some tape to this figure and then afterwards slowly begin to stick these little bits of hay. Add the red top to it as well as the beak, add the eye, and then afterwards add the legs to it as well. Add the little ground and then afterwards add the branches and the trees all around. Next, add this little bottom body and then afterwards at the top make a circular shape out of which you will add glue all throughout. Afterwards add these bits of hay throughout. Add a little face on top of all of it and then add a tail at the back as well. Stick these little shapes all throughout. Thank you for watching.